Earlier, we defined a random variable as an observation, a quantity, or a number resulting from an experiment that by chance can assume different values. Random variables are classified as either discrete or continuous. A random number that can assume only certain clearly separated values, usually the result of counting something, is known as a discrete random number. Random numbers that can assume an infinite number of values within a range, usually the result of some type of measurement, are known as continuous random numbers. So a random number that can assume only certain clearly separated values, usually the result of counting something, is the discrete random number. Examples of discrete random numbers include the number of students in a class, the number of customers in a restaurant, the number of defects or defective items in a batch, and the example used in a previous slide, the number of heads observed in 3 tosses of a coin. On this slide are some other examples as well. Random numbers that can assume an infinite number of values within a range, usually the result of some type of measurement, are the ones known as continuous random numbers. Examples include the length of each song on the latest Tim McGraw album, the GPA of each student in this class, a temperature outside on an August day, and the daily closing price of the Dow Jones Industrial Average. On this slide are some additional examples as well.